Semi-automatic capsule filling machine of Grand Packing Machinery is very compact and dynamic equipment to fill powder, granule, pellet into hard gelatin capsule in small scale. The filling speed is 200 to 300 pieces of capsule per minute, as per the operator's speed. The machine can also be additionally equipped with a dosing disc or with a function of automatic capsule separation, for your different operation requirements. The machine can also be sorted to button type or touch screen type. In addition, the machine is compliant with GMP and CE requirements.